Hey there, my fellow YouTubians. So welcome back to another episode here. I'm going to show you a new project I've started since I finished up the, if you've been following along, finished up the 85 Oldsmobile show car. I should have a review video for that later this week after this video is posted. So, yeah, that came out real nice. I'm real proud of that. But I went to Jo-Ann Fabric the other day. We went to Jo-Ann Fabric the other day, and of course I got to look at the model cars. They don't have a huge selection right now, but they got the Atlantis stuff there. And of course, if you get the app for Jo-Ann, it has a bunch of coupons and stuff on there. So, got this bad boy for a pretty good price. Working on the old monogram Midget racer. I gotta tell you, I was kind of afraid to do this because I thought this was kind of be like a toyish kit type thing. But this is actually really cool here. I'm gonna turn this camera around here and I'm gonna show you what I got. I don't have a lot of stuff painted on it because I'm up here in Chicago, and this weekend here, the next few days, temperature is going to get like -10, -20, -30, which is way too cold. And I'm not going outside to spray paint, obviously, because that's going to be too much. Too much for the paint. But I'm going to show you what I got done. I'm going to show you what my plan is, and let's just turn this around and see what happens. So. Alright, so this is the box. It's got the old school monogram picture on it. I love the Midget racer here and this huge grandstand in the background here. I don't think that's quite accurate here. But anyways, there's the picture of the model. Driver included. And then the painting again, and then some information like the old monogram box. Behind it is the old Moon Eyes racer and the Scorpion Gasser, the old Studebaker. So, alright, so like I said, get yourself that app for Jo-Ann Fabrics if there's a Jo-Ann by you. I know they just filed for bankruptcy again, so maybe they'll be around for a little bit longer. Maybe they won't. I don't know. Put that box on. So here's the instructions. It's just one sheet here. The old Atlantis kits are basically old Xerox copied printed things, instructions. So that's the instructions right there. But then again, there's not a lot of parts to it. Here's the back, which is different painting options. That's in color. This is in crappy Xerox black and white. Alright, so let me show you what I got done here. Here's the Oldsmobile that's waiting for a video to be filmed. You can see the dust on it already because this house is kind of dusty in the winter. So that came out real nice. I can't wait to share that with you. Freaking cool. Alright, so what I did here, got the dashboard here, painted aluminum. I'm going to find some decals on my stash right here to put some decals in that. Got the exhaust here. That is actually gunmetal with the steel headers there. That's part of the driver. We'll put that off the side. The wheels here. So everything's like in halves here. You got to glue the halves together. Not a lot of sanding. There's not a lot of flash on this kit, but when you put the halves together, man, you got to there it is. Got to sand everything down here. So I got the 4 wheels ready to go, be sanded. Got the driver here, half and half. Put them together. Sanded him down. He's pretty smooth here, so he's ready to get painted. I'll paint him like in some old off-white outfit like you would have seen, fire suit. Here's the engine. I painted it gunmetal. It's going to need another coat because a lot of the blue's shining through there. But that's the bottom there, so I'm not worried about that part. But I think overall I'm going to give it another coat on it. And then I'm going to detail it up a little bit. I'm going to pick out all the bolts there. And give them some silver on it. Like I said, there's no belts. It goes inside here and you never see it again here. But I'm going to do my best. So, go down here. Here's my steering wheel I've been painting. It needs some more black blick. The shifter or something. I'm not sure what that is. But, yeah, so the engine goes into the car like that. And you pop the hood on it there and you don't really see it. But like I said, we're going to detail it up just a little bit here. Now let me show you the body here. 2 big halves, being comparison here to the 125th scale car here. So heck of a seam that goes down there. Now, I sanded the hell out of this. So it doesn't look it right now, but it is smooth. Everything's smooth. So I'm going to get a coat of paint on it here. Underbody is a little rough, but you don't see it underneath. So just made sure all the parts that you could see are smooth. Like in the back here, the back tail, That is super smooth. Like I said, under here, I just did a quick sand on. Anyways, so I'm going to give it a quick coat of paint, make sure the seam looks good, and then I'm going to paint it again. So I'm going to go through my my paints, which is behind me here. See what I have that's like a cane that's running out of something, because I figure use a cane that I'm running low on. So it'll get painted that, and then here for the seat here, this will get special padding. I'm going to mask this off here, paint that like a white or a black. I haven't decided yet. The driver fits right in on the little shelf that's in it. It doesn't look like it, but there's a little ledge right there. Not really a shelf. Driver sits down right on there. And he sits up like that. Oh, he kind of fell over a little bit. So, yeah, that's going to be super cool. Alright, so just wanted to show you where I'm at, because I finished one project and working on a new project. And then I have all the suspension parts painted here in aluminum. The other day I had halfway decent weather, so I was out there painting those parts. So all the suspension work's ready to go. Just need to paint the body. I'm going to hand paint this little driver here. We're going to call him Emerson. My little Emerson driver. And get that engine detailed up just a little bit. There's the arms for Emerson. And get these tires sanded down. And when the weather gets good, go outside and spray paint those bad boys. And we should be ready to roll pretty soon here. Like I said, this is going to be a quick build here. Just kind of started here where the weather's not cooperating. Alright, everybody. We're going to leave this video here. Don't forget to stay tuned for a final video on the Oldsmobile. And stay tuned for more updates on the Atlantis Midget Racer. Alright, everybody, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, stay warm out there.